In the heart of Nigeria, where the river breathes life into the land, a tradition older than memory awakens once every year. A tradition of strength, unity, and survival.
Nwonyo Fishing Festival.
For the people of Ibi, the river is more than water. It is food, it is heritage, it is identity. And once a year, it becomes a stage. The Nwonyo Fishing Festival is not just a competition. It is a celebration of courage and the bond between man and nature. With nets, strength, skill, and instinct, and then it begins. Beneath the surface lies uncertainty, and sometimes danger. Victory is not guaranteed, but honor is earned. When the river rests, the people rejoice. Nwonyo Fishing Festival is more than a festival. It is a bridge between past and present. A story passed from one generation to the next. It reminds us who we are and where we come from. The water remembers, the people return, and the spirit of Nwonyo fishing lives on, waiting for another year.